Do you feel like making 20k a month in your small business is just out of reach? Maybe you think, I need thousands of customers to get there. But here's the truth, you don't. The biggest mistake so many product business owners are making is focusing too much on getting new customers, instead of maximizing the sales from the customers they already have. So in today's episode, I am giving you a step-by-step plan so that you can scale from 0 to 20k a month. And you're going to see why it's not about working harder or chasing more people, but instead about making the right strategic moves in your business. And of course, there'll be an action step for you at the end of the episode so that you can start taking direct action. Hello and welcome to the Abundant Business Podcast. I'm your host, Samuel Chapman, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure that you do so that you never miss an episode. I am here to help you to attract more of your perfect customers, boost your sales, and build your confidence in every single one of your business decisions. Check out the links underneath this episode where you will find my brand new book, Sell Smarter, Not Harder. Proven strategies to get your products seen and sold. Plus, while you're down there, you'll also find loads of extra free resources to help you on every single step of your small business journey. Now, let's break down how you can scale from 0 to 20k a month without needing a crazy amount of customers. And step 1 is stop focusing on more customers. Focus on your average order value instead. Because most business owners are sitting there thinking, I need more traffic, I need more sales, I need to market harder. But more traffic doesn't always mean more money. So let's break this down. Because if your average order value is £20, you need 1,000 customers to hit that 20k a month. But if your average order value is £200, you only need 100 customers to hit that same revenue goal. Do you know what your average order value is? Because you can calculate it by taking your revenue for the last month and dividing it by the number of customers that you had. Once you know that number, you can now start implementing strategies to increase it and start making your life easier. The first way you can do this is by increasing your prices. And I mean doing it without losing customers either. Because here's the deal. Most small business owners are underpricing themselves. And it's all out of fear that no one's going to buy if they start charging more. People don't buy based on price alone. They buy based on value. It's the perception you're giving them, the way you position your brand. So here are 3 ways to raise your prices without losing customers. The first is by adding more perceived value. Don't just sell a candle, sell an at-home luxury aromatherapy experience that includes your hand-poured soy wax candle, but also includes the perfect mood-setting Spotify playlist and an exclusive story behind your scent inspiration. Offer more premium options. If your main product is a £30 face cream, consider introducing a £50 version with extra benefits, or that it's larger. Use price anchoring. Now this is a clever trick used by many coffee shops where they have 3 levels available. You have a lower basic level, a medium, slightly more expensive level, which usually has the biggest profit margin, and the most premium level, which they know won't exactly sell like hotcakes. But what it does is, instead of the customer seeing 2 choices and usually going for the cheaper one, they pick the middle one instead. That's where they can see the most amount of value. What does your current pricing system look like? How can you add more tiered levels or give extra value so your customer has the impression of higher perceived value when they buy from you? This is going to stop them from shopping on cost alone. Next up, I wanted to talk to you about the value ladder. And this is where you have multiple price points to maximize your revenue per customer. Now, this is slightly different to what I just mentioned, and here's how. You see, not all customers want to spend the same amount with you. Some are happy spending £30, while others would gladly spend £300 if you give them the option to. That is why every business needs a value ladder, where you have different pricing tiers that makes it easy for customers to spend more over time. The 3 levels of a value ladder include your entry-level product, which is usually between £0 and £40, which gets people through the door. It can be a single candle, a basic skincare item, a sample, a digital guide showing what your business is and how you help your customers. It can be a masterclass or a YouTube video. This is all about showing your future customer just how great your business is and how great your products are too. Next is your core product, usually between £40 and £300. And this is what I call your hero product, the item that your business is known for and the one that's got great profit margin. And then we have your high ticket product, which is usually 300 or more. And this is for serious customers that wants everything to do with you. This doesn't necessarily mean all in one purchase either. It could be through the value of a subscription, or through high-end bundles or VIP experiences. The exact values might differ from business to business, but the value ladder principle remains the same. You must ensure that you are thinking about your ideal customer and make sure that there is somewhere for them to move to during their time with you. This is going to prevent them from getting bored, fed up, or distracted by somebody else's shiny new product. So I want you to map out your 3 levels of pricing. What can you offer at each stage that draws customers into your business, that shows them how great you are, that gains their trust and loyalty and encourages them to come back and shop with you again and again? Next up, we're talking about your upgrades and cross-selling strategy, because the easiest sale you will ever make is to somebody who is already buying from you. You'll notice that big brands never let you walk away with just one item. Think about McDonald's. They ask, would you like fries with that? Or how Amazon suggests customers also bought under the product descriptions of what you're about to buy. So here is how you can add more revenue per order through upsells. And this is where you offer a premium add-on at your checkout by promoting upgrade to the next version for just £15 extra, through cross-selling, and show related products that say things like complete the look with this product, or customers who bought this product also loved this product too. This is great at gaining your customers' trust and encouraging them to buy more from you. You can also try order bumps, and this is where you offer small add-ons right before the payment, and it could be something like add gift wrapping for $4.99. So go to your website, take a closer look. Do you have upgrades? Do you have cross-selling? Do you have order bumps? If not, consider what you can implement today so that you can start increasing your average order value. And the last example I have for you today is all about building recurring revenue with your subscription model, because the best way to create long-term predictable income is with subscriptions. So instead of chasing new customers every month, you can make money from the same customers literally on repeat. And also, did you know that customers who sign up to a subscription are also more likely to take you up on any extra order bumps you promote to them before their next subscription is due? So here are 3 types of subscription models for you to consider, okay? The first is a monthly box. This is where you have a curated experience that you put together, and you could possibly team up with other small businesses to promote their products too. You could have a VIP membership where you can provide exclusive access or first looks and members only perks for customers who have a certain spend with your business each year. And you could have auto replenishment. And this is where customers never run out of their essentials because you send them their next product exactly when they're due for more without them having to go through the entire checkout process each time. You currently have a subscription service on offer in your business. If not, brainstorm one. How could you add a subscription to your business to increase your average order value and start hitting your 20K months even easier than you ever thought? Now let's recap what we have covered today. We want you to focus on your average order value instead of more customers. We want you to raise your prices strategically to increase your perceived value. We want you to create a value ladder with 3 pricing levels. We want you to implement upsells, cross-sells, and order bumps into your business and we want you to build recurring revenue with subscriptions. Now, just take one of these strategies and implement it today. Don't overcomplicate it, just take action. And then send me a DM on Instagram at Product Coach Sam and let me know what action you are taking so I can cheer you on. And if you loved this episode, take a screenshot and share it on your Instagram stories and tag me. I am on a mission to help as many small business owners as possible to have their biggest and brightest year in business. And I can only do that if you share this podcast with anyone who you think will benefit from it. Don't forget to claim your free resources in the link below, and I will see you next time on the Abundant Business Podcast. Have a great day.